Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I went to my mailbox and I had a fun surprise. Actually, it came to the door, it didn't even get to the mailbox because it's a box. And I saw Amazon, so I just assumed it was something that I'd ordered on Amazon because I do that often. But when I opened it up, it looks like this, and I have not peeked inside yet. This was on top, and it had this card in it. And let me read you some of the card, and I don't think that they would mind that I'm doing this. And this is a sweet sticker that was on the inside. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. Love it, love it. And it matches the card. So cute. And it says, "Dear Tammy, we are Kelly and Cody from Minnesota. We have been watching TT.Scraps for almost a year now, and it has been our go-to when we are all caught up in our TV shows and just want something relaxing to watch. We appreciate your positive attitude and the love and creativity you share through your channel. We saw this card and dryer balls yesterday and thought of you. Then, coincidentally, we discovered that I have another channel, which I don't really keep up with, but yeah. They said that I was doing a good job, and they said, best wishes for continued health and happiness. You deserve it, Kelly and Cody." And it was just super sweet. And I hope that they don't mind that I'm putting this on YouTube. I don't think that they would, because you guys know that I do YouTube. So she sent me this knowing I do YouTube, but they sent me this. So Kelly and Cody, those are really cute names, and it sounds fun together. You just heard my little pup bark, and we have Waylon and Winnie, which I think sounds cute together too. So Kelly and Cody, that's really cute. Let's see what's in here. I guess there are going to be some dryer balls. Oh my gosh. Look at these dryer balls, guys. They are hedgehogs. I thought they were going to be like the woolen balls, which are really cool, but these are hedgehogs. Softens fabric naturally, controls dryer static, hypoallergenic. Oh my word. Simply drop the hedgehogs into the dryer. Fluffs up fabric, reduces static. Oh my gosh. Sorry, the lighting is there. That's better. Aren't those adorable? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I have never seen such a thing, and I love it. Oh my word. They disperse the wet laundry in the dryer to promote efficient circulation of heat and removal of moisture. The spikes on the hedgehogs gently pamper the fabrics. Hedgehogs are suitable for all fabrics that can be tumbled dry. That is so awesome. I am loving it. And it looks like it's from Kickerland. Kikkerland. So if you guys are looking for some, check that out. That's so cute. Thank you. And oh my goodness, I don't know what this is, but it feels like it might be a mug. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, can you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness, I have never seen such a thing. It has little feet in the bottom, even you can see the little feet. Oh my gosh. Kelly and Cody, you guys outdid yourself. This is so stinking cute. Thank you so much. My goodness, you have made my day. And I really haven't had the best of weeks, so I'm gonna like tear up. This is so sweet of you. Holy cow. And I have never seen the cutest mug ever. This is so cute. I'm gonna make some coffee and have this tonight. I am not even kidding. This is happening tonight. I love it. And I think that's everything, because I think that the packaging had to be, because you guys, I mean, this didn't break or anything. I just had to make sure, just because I would feel so bad if I threw something away. But you guys, you're the best. Thank you very much. I hope that you can tell that I'm looking right at you, Kelly and Cody. Thank you, guys. I have no words. You guys are the best. I absolutely appreciate it and cannot wait to use this cute little mug. Holy cow. And these are awesome too. I'm excited about these. I think that, I mean, they will have to work. I can't imagine. I mean, what a neat concept. And it will save money from not having to buy all the dryer sheets all the time. Although I think my husband might be addicted to those, so I think he sometimes will put 4 or 5 in there. I'm like, dear, you're going to ruin your clothes. Look how they come in here. They're like all hooked on. Oh my gosh. They are little hedgehog balls. That's the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh, I love them. Even this is cool. I can find something to do with this maybe. Even if it's just using it as cardstock, I'm keeping that. Putting that in my stash pile. So thank you very, very much. I absolutely adore them, and you are the best. Totally unexpected and not necessary, but gosh, you really made my day. So thank you very much. I hope that you have a wonderful day yourself. A wonderful week, because you sure made mine. Bye-bye.